Hey there everyone, Vandana here, and today we are going to learn consensus theorem. So the consensus theorem is basically called as redundancy theorem, right? So what did it say that? So the consensus theorem is given as AB plus A bar C plus BC. The whole expression is equivalent to AB plus A bar C. Here Here there is a trick that is used available in the Boolean algebra. So what is the trick? Said that three variables must present in the expression, right? Here are three variables which are there, a, b and c, right? Three variables are there. True. First thing is a, b and c, right? Each variable is repeated twice. Here a means a variable is represented either in its normal form or its complemented form. So a complement, right? Two times bb, two times, and cc, two times. Each variable is repeated twice. This condition also hold, right? One variable must present in complemented form. Here variable which here one variable must present in complemented form means कि एक variable ऐसा होना चाहिए जो अपनी complementation form को represent करे, right? Here a is represented in complemented form like a bar c, right? Clear? So ये जो rules हैं, these rules are satisfied here, right? So तो इसको solve करने का way क्या है? The solution is, if these kind of things are given, the solution is take those terms which contains the complemented variable. Here the complemented variable is a, so take the terms that are associated with a. तो a के साथ associated terms कौन सी हैं? That is ab plus a bar c. So here b c is what? This is the redundant term and we have to avoid this term, right? Redundant term. Clear? Hope आपको ये समझ में आया है. Okay. Now let's see the proof कि अगर if we are going to solve this by simplification method तो कैसे होता. देखो AB plus A bar C plus BC, right? This is given and we know that A plus A bar is equivalent to 1, right? And if I put BC dot 1, right, 1, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? This is the BC itself, means जो term है उसका expression change नहीं होगा. क्लियर. सो यहाँ पे मैंने 1 की जगह पे a प्लस ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिखा है, राइट? वी डिस्कस दिस इन द अर्लियर लेक्चर्स ऑल्सो, राइट? हाउ वी कैन डू दिस थिंग, this kind of stuff, right? Okay, now next is we just multiplied these terms, right? तो हमें क्या मिला? ए बी सी प्लस ए बार बी सी. अब यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? टू सिंप्लीफाई विद कॉमन टर्म्स, राइट? तो यहाँ पे कॉमन टर्म्स देखो क्या हो सकते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या है? ए बी सी, a bar c, a bar bc, right? See here, ab is common, right? And in terms में मेरे पास a bar c common आ रहा है, right? ओ यहाँ पे डॉट आएगा, ab dot, right? Here dot, ab dot a 1 plus c plus a bar c 1 plus b. Clear? And what we get? ab plus a bar c. See the proof of consensus theorem, but we don't need to go in all the steps, right? If we are considered these steps now, we can simply observe that this expression belongs to the consensus theorem and we are directly imply the short trick, right? Okay, now let's do some example based on this. Okay, see here. Okay, firstly check whether this expression belong to the redundant theorem or not. Here given a bar b bar, a bar c bar, b c bar. See, three variables are there. Yes, a, b and c. Done. Each variable is repeated. So first rule is satisfied here. Now check for second. Each variable is repeated twice. A right, b right, c right. This rule is also true here. One variable must present in complemented form, right? Now see here, a bar b bar both are complemented, right? A bar c bar both complemented. B c bar, right? B c bar, here the complemented term is b, right? Because यहाँ पे क्या है, b एक ऐसा term है जो अपनी normal form plus अपने complemented form में represent है, right? Okay, Now take a moment and pause the video and you have to solve it yourself, right? Just try to solve कि क्या आप इसको solve कर पा रहे हैं, right? Because खुद का किया हुआ हमेशा learn रहता है, right? Let's solve this now. Okay, अब यहाँ पे देखो what will be the answer you get in your notebooks. Okay, let us match that. अब यहाँ पे मुझे ये बताओ कि कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वेरिएबल क्या है, b. सो हम कौन से टर्म लेंगे दैट आर एसोसिएटेड विद b. तो यहाँ पे व्हाट इज द आंसर, a बार b बार प्लस b c बार. सिंपल. आई होप यू गॉट दिस राइट. ओके, अब यहाँ पे देखो पहले हम कर रहे थे ना सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, अब हमारे पास है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम, राइट? इसके जस्ट लाइक अब यहाँ पे क्या है, a प्लस बी, a बार प्लस सी, b प्लस सी. ठीक है जी. फर्स्ट इज योर थ्री वेरिएबल मस्ट present in the expression. Three variables are there, yes, a, b and c. Done. Okay, each variable is repeated twice. Now let's check क्या a 2 time आ रहा है, yes, b 2 time, yes, c 2 times, yes. तो first is satisfied, second is satisfied. Now go for third one. One variable must present in complemented form. Here, let us see which variable represent its complemented form, and it is a itself, right? तो a है जो वो अपनी normal form as well as complemented form को भी represent करता है, right? So what we need to do, what is the solution here? I guess you did earlier than me, right? So what is the answer here? We have to write the terms that are associated with a. So what is the answer? A plus b, right? And a bar plus c. तो यहाँ पे redundant term कौन सी है, b plus c, and we are going to omit that, right? तो ये cut and this is the answer. I hope you will get it, like I hope you will get it very easily because these kind of things are super easy to do with just a little practice, right? Do one or more question based on this and you will excel in this concept, right? Okay, hope you like the video. Thank you.